Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Monday, January the 27th, 2020. We have one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see here a lot of ones. Here one, there one, here one, there one, and also here one. So let's begin with the 1. I see here a 1 in the third row, a 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 1 is here and there. But I see here already a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 3 places for 1 is here, here, or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in this column, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 3 places for 1 is here, here, or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then I see here the second row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 4, 9, and 2. 4, 9, and 2. I see here a 9 and a 2, so no 9 and a 2 here. 1 digit left for the 4. Here we have a pair 9 and 2, 9 and 2. Remember that for later. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But I can continue with another digit 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 3 is here or there. But I see here already a 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then no. An 8 in this row, an 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for an 8 should be here. And then this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. I see here a 6, so no 6 in this box, so the 6 should be here or there. But I see here also a 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box is left for this big square for the number 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here already an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for an 8 is here, here, or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. I see there an 8. So no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 5 should be here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5. In these 2 boxes, only place for the 5 must be here. Then in the second column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. But we have a 5 here, so no 5 here. 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the number 7 and 5. We have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then the last column, these 2 boxes of this big square are for the numbers 9 and 4. I cannot fill this yet, 9 and 4. That means 1 box is left. For the last column, this should be a 2. Then this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box is left for the 6, should be this one. Then 4, 9. Let me see. We have 9 and 4. In this column also 9 and 4. In this row also 9 and 4. In this middle row 9 and 4. 9 and 4, 9 and 4. That means in this big square we have a 9 and 4, 9 and 4. These 2 are 2 and 7. 2 and 7, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 4, 9 and 4. These 2 numbers, 9 and 2. 9 and 2. 1, 5 and 8. 5 and 8. 3. Yes, this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 3 should be this one. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for 3 is here, here, or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. I see there 3, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Maybe 7. And then 4 and 6. 2, 2, 2. Four and 7. 7, 7. 9, 4, 9, 4. No, 9, 4 and 6. Yes, in this row, 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 9, 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. 9 and 4, 9 and 4. Okay, 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but we have a 6 there. No 6 here, 6 should be here. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 9 and 4, 9 and 4 in this column. 2, 9 and 2, okay. These 3 numbers, 9, 4 and 2. 9 and 4, 9, 4 and 2. 9, 4 and 2 also here, and a 7. 7, 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row above. Only place for the 7 should be here. 9, 4 and 2 here. 9, 4 and 2, 9, 4 and 2, 9, 4 and 2, 4 and 9. Ooh. 2, 9, 4, 2 and 7. We have 2 and 7 here. I remember 2 and 7, 9 and 4. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 and 4, 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 9 and 4. 9 and 4 and 2. 9 and 4 and 2. 2, 2. 9, 9, 9. 9, 4, and 2. 9, 4, and 2. 2 should be here. Yes, in this row, 3 missing numbers, 9, 4, and 2. I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 9 and 4, 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 9 and 4. We have here the solution. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there in this column. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 4. 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left for this row for the number 9. 1 number left for this big square for the number 4. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 and 4 are left. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this first column for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left for this big square for the number 4. 1 number left for this column for the number 9. 2 numbers left for the second row for the numbers 9 and 2. We have 9 here. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the number 7 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 here, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the number 7 and 2. We have a 7 here. No 7 here, 7 should be there, and the 2 goes there. It's solved in 17 minutes. Alright, thank you for watching. You can also subscribe if you want. Thumbs up if you like. Or you can download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself. Thank you again, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.